So guys, I'm here with my family and I want to say hi to you people. Are you guys ready? Okay. So, say something to the camera. It's a video, no? Don't pause. It's a video. Tell them to subscribe to my channel. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are in Kinangop. Kinangop is the land of potatoes, cabbages and carrots. I'm here to visit a relative, and guys, I've already brought you with me as you have seen. So let's proceed. This place, the temperatures are very low. I'm only hoping it's not gonna rain. So let's go and see how the Kinangop people live and how they do their thing as we enjoy the cool weather. So guys, let's go. So we made it to Kinangop, guys. So let's go and see what's happening. I'm sure you're familiar with this environment if you have been watching me for a very long time. So let's get inside, eat fast, and then we continue with the video.
Hey, see you there? Yeah. Asisi tunafuata tu jaribu. So inaitwa cake metron, that's what I'll do. There is a Psalms 133. I'm not preaching because the preacher did it. Esaki kuharibu ya mazuri ambayo alisema. It talks about unity. When I see this cake, and you can see it is really done. It is really done. Hey. Thank you for honoring our invite. Papi makofi. Hey, hii gile sitasoma. By the way, kuna mtu alizaliwa Januari? Yes. Show me your hand. Move forward. You see, kindly. Kama alizaliwa tu January, any date, move forward.
We are hoping, as there has been mentioned, next year we go to another home, and I hope we keep on, in the same path. Thank you very much, and God help you, and may we stay together in harmony and peace. And as somebody mentioned when we are hearing the word of God, we must never forget that it's God who is always carrying us. Don't think because you got your brother or your sister. At the end of the day, we all look up to God. And he's the only one who can, take us from one point to the other. Thank you very much, guys, and have a nice evening.
Thank you. So good morning, guys. This is the next day. I'm still in Kinangop. We got here and the weather was not so good. So we spent the night here. So I was not able to vlog anything. It rained throughout the day. But here we are. We just woke up. I'm in a town called Kinamba. This is where my family and I spent the night, and now we want to head back to Nairobi through Jambini Road. I don't know, is it Jambini town? I've never used that route, so I want to go and see if we get any views or anything like that. So guys, watch this video until the very end. So let's go. This is where we spent the night. 401 restaurant and accommodation. It was a nice place. It's new actually, and the rates are good. It's along the Kinangop road, town called Kinamba. Yeah. So guys, we are going back to Nairobi. Like I've said, we came to Kinangop and the sun didn't come out, so I didn't vlog. And I'm here with my girls. Say hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi, I'm good.
And you, Hannah? Say hi. How is Form 4 taking you, by the way?
Tricky and nice.
Tricky and nice. Nice because you're finishing.
Yeah.
And tricky because...
It's from 4.
So are you like putting efforts?
Yeah.
Okay. But you know outside here is not easy, yeah?
But it's better.
It's better. But you know you have to start worrying about paying bills, you know that?
Yeah.
Wait,
Yeah.
and what road is that now?
Anyway guys, see you on the road.
Hi.
Bye. So guys, here I am in Jambini. This road goes to Jambini. It is very well tarmacked. You can see the view. This is Kinangop. It should be South Kinangop in Nyandarua County, if I'm not wrong. You see the mountain over there. This place has views, but it is very cold. The weather here is not a joke. We came in yesterday and we did not move out because it was raining throughout the day. It is very cold at night. Whoa, early in the morning the water here is cold, but I'm loving the views. You can see guys there, lovely views. But at least today the sun is out a bit, so I can walk outside a little bit before I go back to Nairobi. Despite not being able to vlog, at least I managed to stay here and just enjoy with family. It's not about camera all the time. So this place is written Viewpoints. Wow. See guys, hey, is that should be Lake Elementaita, if I'm not wrong, that one over there, because you're so close to Naivasha. I do have height phobia, so let me just go back. So let's continue guys and see what this road has to offer. I gotta walk and jump through this thing, over this thing. Let me see. Kinangop people, where do you go for outings here? Where when you're in Kinangop? I haven't seen any joints. Yeah, the closest joint here maybe is Geodam. We have to go all the way to Naivasha, but that's not in our plan or in our schedule, so we just have to hit back and go to Nairobi. Look at that view guys, it's amazing. Look at that. Wow, look at that, my god.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land.
We found something on our way. We are still on the Kinangop Road. We saw something like a waterfall. Let's show you guys. See, I'm here with my son and my daughter. Say Kim. See guys, oh my lord, this is so good. The view is nice. Wow. Where?
How to know you're from Nairobi?
Imagine.
Without saying you're from Nairobi.
Yes, how to know you're from Nairobi, to know without saying you're from Nairobi. You stop and everything. Exactly. Lazima tusimame na tupige picha. Wow. Guys, also see the views. Oh, wow. Wow. This is where the water is going. I wanted to see there. So guys, you see our views, what we are seeing. Some vintage house over there. And I've just said that that's Lake Elementaita. I've been corrected by my family and my friends that that's Lake Naivasha actually. I said earlier it's Lake Elementaita, but it's Lake Naivasha. This road I've never known, I've never passed here. It's my first time and it has very nice views, guys. Very nice views. And the road is so well done, well tarmacked, as you can see. You see? It's done well. So without wasting time, let's proceed. But you all know how much I love views, because I do love views for sure. So let's head back. Guys, I cannot get enough of this area. See what we are seeing here. So we are being put to test, and someone is asking us, when you look at this scene here, what does it mean? I'm waiting for the Ndudi to pass. What does it mean? So I'm asking my viewers, what does this mean? So we still has not gotten the answer. We are still here guessing with my babies. What does it mean? I was not so good in history, so I don't know. But yeah, see our view, guys. Hey, this place is amazing views. I love views. I love being outside. Hey, this one thing I love is being outside. Yeesh. Hey, today I'll be left here. They are already tired of my vlogging. Wow. Okay, Natasha. Yeah? From our geography teacher, actually it's not history, Aki, yeah, I'm doing so poorly, yeah? So our teacher has said the reason why we can see these rocks, the lines and all this, he said it's because,
so this is because, like, you see this brown level over here.
Yes.
This brown level that's here.
Of course, that line.
Yeah, that line, like all the way there. It shows like that's the water level. Like once, a very long time ago, like all of this was underwater.
All of this was underwater, yes.
Underwater. So the water level, it was like, I don't know whether reducing is the right grammar to use, but like ilishuka. So obviously maji reduce the building in a bucket to the same, but
now the rocks, let's call them the rocks.
Yeah, now the lake that's usually like over there.
That's Lake Naivasha somewhere there, yeah.
That side, all of it ilikuwa hadi like
ilikuwa hapa.
So that ground level inaonyesha like hapo ndio level ya maji ilikuwa. That's where the level of the water was. Yeah.
Hey, because the views are crazy.
Yeah, it's nice. And I think maybe that's why there's a waterfall here.
It's more like a waterfall, and you know, it's funny how guys, we are still on the road. I don't know when we'll reach, but we are finding and meeting views. See? Yeah. Locals are like, look at the Nairobi people. We don't see this every day. Mwambie sisi tunaenda tukivlog. We are not even in a hurry. Guys, see that river? Yeah. So guys, just here, the river looks amazing. The view here is great. Everything is amazing.